Do you know GOP in video? GOP, or group of pictures, is a collection of successive pictures within a coded video stream. GOP structure specifies the order in which intra and interframe are arranged. Intraframe or iframe, also known as the keyframe. The iframe is the only frame type which can be fully decompressed without any reference. It is also the most data-heavy on disk space. Interframe predicted, or pframe, encoded from a predicted picture based on the closest preceding I or pframe. Pframes typically require much less disk space than iframes. And the last one is inter-bidirectional frame, or bframe, encoded from an interpolation of succeeding and preceding reference frames, either iframe or pframe. Bframe are the most storage-efficient frame type. The most common GOP structure is using 12 frames. We can see the picture below. Pframe reference from iframe, or the previous pframe. Both iframes and pframes are also known as reference frames because a bframe may refer to either one or both frame types. Now, let's see the real GOP structure and its function. This is the sample video that I have used. And the application is ffmpeg. And now we will try to see the GOP structure of the video using this syntax in ffmpeg. As we can see, there is 625 frames of video and all of them is pframe picture except the first one. Now I want to try to compare the file size of the videos without and with GOP. The first one is without GOP. We can create it using this syntax. Here I reduced the quality from the original video, which was originally 12 Mbps to 5 Mbps. And the result is a video with a size of 15.1 megabytes. And then I make another video with the same bitrate, but there is an additional syntax, 12 frames GOP with 2 bframes between the reference frames. And the result is that videos with GOP have a smaller file size than those without GOP. Let's take a look at the frame structure of the video with GOP we just created. It's the same as what I presented before. There is iframe for the first frame, followed with 2 bframes before pframe, and the distance between iframe and the next iframe is 12 frames. Here I have prepared a video with GOP 12 and GOP 120 frames. I have also added noise to the video so we can see the difference. Video with GOP 120 frames has a long distance until it meets the next keyframe, which causes it to take a long time to repair if there are damaged images. Meanwhile, video with GOP 12 will repair damaged images very quickly because the distance between keyframes is only 12 frames, or less than 1 second. Okay, that's the information I can give about GOP on the video. Thanks for watching.